All right, good morning and happy Monday, everybody. So this video, I just want to go over our activity one lesson real fast with you guys, those three questions. So just as a quick review on this, we have an activity one, activity two, and activity three. When you're going through your math lessons, make sure you do them in order. Do your activity one first, then activity two, then activity three. It will be posted on whether or not you're going to turn in these papers or turn in this work to your teacher. So think about when we're in class, not every time we turn everything in. So some things you'll do and just keep, and some things you'll do and turn in. So this is something we want you to turn in. We want to see what you're doing, but we also want to give you a chance to go over our answers here real fast. All right, great. So let's take a look over here. All right, I am seeing that we have which model is best representing 2 times 4/5, right? So that's showing us a one model here, but then there is this model right here as well. So if we think about 4/5, this is 1, 2, 3, 4/5, and what that is saying when we're asking that is we want that 2 times. All right, so if I were to take this model and think about it 2 times, what I would want to do is think, all right, well, I'm going to get another set of fifths, drag it over here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4/5. And I just want to model this problem as well from what we saw from last week. So this is 4/5 right here, 1 time, 2 times. So we have 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5, 6/5, 7/5, 8/5 right here. So that equals 8/5. Or what we could say is, and we could think, okay, well, this is only 4 out of 5, but if I bring this one up here and make that 5 out of 5, that's 1 whole, and then there would be 3/5 left over. So both of those are an answer. So if we come over to our work over on this one, which one is best showing us that? Well, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are also fifths for B, but B is showing us 3 times 4/5. It should have been A, right? So you're picking A, that is showing 4/5 twice, 2 times. All right, cool. All right, let's take a look at our next one here. All right, number 2, it says Elsa operates an orange juice stand. I wonder if it's a frozen orange juice stand. On Monday, she uses 1/3 of a bag of oranges. So here's what I'm going to do while I'm reading this. I just want to make a record of my work here. So on my pad here, that's 1/3. Okay, back over here, a bag of oranges. On Tuesday, she uses 3 times as many oranges on Monday. So I'm just going to read that language and think, okay, that's saying 3 times. So the next day she's using 3 times as many. How many bags of oranges did she use on Tuesday? All right, so let's take a look at how we can model this. So I want to model this like what we did with a number line. So this is what she used on Monday, 1/3 of a bag. She didn't use a whole bag. On Tuesday, though, she used 3 times as many. So thinking of this as our number line, get that out of the way. Go away. Okay, got it. All right, so I want to draw this number line. 0 all the way down here is 1 or 3/3. Okay, just write a little or right there. Okay, so this is going to be 1/3. It's going to be 2/3. Okay, I know I could have written that a little bit closer. It's not divided perfectly, but you guys will forgive me. All right, so I'm going to think, okay, so if I go 3 times, that's 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So in this case, on Tuesday, she used 3/3 or a whole bag, or one whole bag. Okay, doing good? All right, excellent. All right, so let me get this out of the way. Let's take a look at our next question down here. So this is just kind of overall review, just keeping up some basic skills going here. All right, so we have recently the value of Marvin's college funds decreased by $218. His fund was worth $428 before. Okay, so what I'm looking at here before, We had $428 in his account. Decrease gets me thinking subtraction, decreased by $218. So pretty straightforward. That 8 looks crazy, but it's okay. Just write out your work. Okay, don't do this in your head. There's no magic award for people who do stuff in your head like this. Come on, just write it out. No one's going to die if you do it. All right, so then there's that one, right? So subtract that. That leaves us with 1. And then, of course, right now her account has $210 in it. We can check that by saying, okay, well, if I have $210, and if I were to add back what was decreased, that 218, okay, that's 8, that's 200 right here. I end back with our original amount. Okay, awesome. All right, so you guys, I have another video for our activity 2. What it is basically is just me kind of introducing this idea of writing decimals as fractions and looking at them that way. We're moving into a new area of math with decimals and fractions that way. Follow along with me on a sheet of notebook paper. Really follow along with me. It may sound cheesy or whatever, but just do it because it's going to help you learn this stuff faster. And then your activity 3 is going to be an IXL lesson, IXL lesson T2, right? So there's nothing to turn in with that. It will time you out eventually, and that's okay. All right, thank you very much. If you have any questions, let us know. Have a great day, guys.